Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're playing the coolest animal quiz ever. I'll show you two animals and ask you a question. You've got 5 seconds to shout your answer. Let's play. Which animal has long neck? Which animal has small neck? Which animal has small ear? Which animal has big ear? Which animal is short? Which animal is long? Which animal is heavy? Which animal is light? And that's a wrap on today's animal challenge. You were amazing. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to play again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Animal Champions. Bye bye.